Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change the text font of your text within Notion. So actually this is very easy. So first of all, just type some text. For example, if you read this, please subscribe, just like this. And if you want to change the font of this text, you just need to go to the right top corner and tap on those three dots. And here you see default, so this is the default font I'm using right now, or you can select this font. As you see now the font changes, everything changes, so the title, just the normal text, and I also can select mono, this font if you like, or just the default font, and I think that's, I like this font the most. You also can select small width or small text, like this, so everything is a bit smaller. Full width, just like this. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.